Have you ever seen an Instagram bio that just stops you in your tracks? Just a few words, but they manage to capture a whole dream? Today, we're going to break down one of those. We're looking at a pitch that promises a pretty incredible lifestyle, and we're going to figure out how it works so unbelievably well.
So here it is. This is our source material for today, helping fluent English speakers make money online and travel the world. And of course, you've got the emojis to back it up: the briefcase, the plane, the bag of money. I mean, come on. This sentence isn't just a description, right? It's a whole vibe. It's the dream so many people are chasing right now.
You have to understand, this bio wasn't just thrown together. No way. It's actually a perfectly designed three-part formula. It's built to grab a very specific type of person and promise them everything they want. It's a total masterclass in saying a lot with very little. So let's take it apart, piece by piece.
The whole thing kicks off right here with the skill. Fluent English speakers. Boom, right away. They've singled out their audience. This isn't for just anyone. It's for you. If you're listening to me and you understand every word, well, you've just been tagged. It creates this instant feeling of, hey, they're talking to me. It cuts through all the noise and makes you lean in a little closer.
All right, so on to part 2, the method. Make money online. This is the engine that makes the whole dream run. And that word online, that's the key. It's everything. It whispers freedom, right? Freedom from a cubicle, freedom from a commute, the freedom to work from anywhere. This is the how. This is how the magic happens.
And finally, we get to the real gut punch, the most powerful part of the whole formula, the goal. Travel the world. This is the why. This is the payoff. This isn't just about making money. It's about the life that money buys you. It's the dream, the big aspiration that gets people excited. The skill and the method, they're just the car that gets you to this incredible destination.
So, we've seen the 3 parts of the formula. But, I want to circle back to that first part for just a second. Because the choice to focus on English speakers, that is absolutely brilliant. Why is that specific skill so effective? Well, here's the really clever twist. This pitch takes something that a lot of people just take for granted, speaking English, and it reframes it. It's no longer just a language, it's a valuable asset you can cash in on. It's like they're telling you, hey, you already have the golden ticket. You've already got a skill that the online world is desperate for. You don't need to learn something new, you just need to learn how to use what you've got.
Okay, so the hook is in, the promise has been made, the audience feels seen, but how do you actually get them to do something? Well, that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle, and it's a thing of beauty, the incredibly simple call to action.
Let's just walk through the journey in someone's head for a second. First, there's aspiration. You're already dreaming of a different life. Then comes discovery. You stumble across this account. Next is identification. You see that phrase, fluent English speakers, and you think, wait, that's me. And then, finally, the action. The barrier is so low it's practically on the floor, just send a DM. One word, go.
And this really shows you how the game has completely changed. The old way was always, click the link in my bio. It feels like a sale, doesn't it? It feels impersonal. But DM Go to get started, that feels like a conversation. It's super low effort, it's personal, and it creates this direct connection between you and them. It's all about sparking curiosity, not forcing a sale.
So when you step back, the really incredible thing is that this entire system, from planting a dream in your head to identifying you as the perfect customer to starting a one-on-one chat, it's all done in 2 tiny lines of text. Now, we have no idea what happens after you send that DM, but honestly for this analysis, that doesn't even matter. The point is how perfectly this little model shows where things are heading. It's all about efficiency, psychology, and talking directly to people.
Which really leaves us with one big question to think about. In a world where everyone's attention span is shrinking by the second, what's actually the most powerful way to sell an idea? Is it a big, long, detailed website? Or is it just a simple, direct invitation to have a conversation? A conversation that can start with just a single word.